welcome, I guess. So, today I'm going to do something different. Today I'm going to show you how to download, overlays for your, let's just say overlays for videostar. Or like you can use them for After Effects or pretty much anything you want to copy a video of, pretty much. So you want to go to YouTube. So let's say I want a videostar overlay.
Never front, this ain't what you want. 30 in the pump, suicide, take my own life. Every night I die, every night I'm...
So you want to press this, the arrow button, and then press copy link. Then you're going to see on the bottom it says copied. Then you need to go, and then go to the App Store and download this app called Documents. It looks like this. So yeah, just go to Apple's App Store, Documents, this one. And then go into the app. And then go to and search up save from .net. You gotta search it from this app. Then sometimes ads will pop up. You just need to press the X. At least that's what. Oops. Nope, I don't want to stop recording. It'll sometimes ask you to download, okay, here, look. So now we're on. Now it says iPhone user or like Android or whatever. You just paste the link. Then you press that arrow button. And then it'll load. Soon. It normally doesn't take this long. I think it slows it down from the screen recording. Okay, look, I'm gonna read. Yep. Okay, so now it's almost ready. Your browser doesn't support this. So you see, like in big things, it says download via televisor app. You don't want to press that. Do right under it. Don't download, just play. And then so you're gonna have it in save file. Save it to downloads and documents. You don't want to save it to photos yet. And then press done. Then it says MP4 has been. And so then you see this little folder button on the bottom. Yeah, documents. Then you're going to check the folder that says downloads. Then it's going to be right there. And you're just going to press the like that dot button. Then right here it says move. You press move, then in the recents you press photos. And then you see all this, don't mess around with it. Those are all your photos. And then just press move to photos. And then it should, you see it's
never front, this ain't what you want. 30.
So yeah. Hope this helped out you guys. And